Whether you need to break corners, trim some protruding joints, or clean up end grain, this handsome UK-made block plane from Clifton is the perfect answer to those quick tasks. Hefty, yet the right size and supremely comfortable in the hand. Clifton planes are made in Sheffield, England by the last remaining traditional hand tool manufacturers in the UK. Their hand planes are superb modern examples of old world craftsmanship, and this block plane is our favorite piece of the Clifton line. The plane features a cast bronze body that provides extra heft and will not rust like a cast iron plane. The striking walnut-topped lever cap forms into the cup of your hand for easy and comfortable control. A North-style adjuster, unique to the Clifton plane, relies on a double-threaded screw and a large locking wheel for accurate and easy depth and angle adjustment at your fingertips. The adjustable mouth allows easy control of the size of your shavings. The cryo-treated 01 tool steel iron excels at trimming end grain and joinery, and smoothing difficult or reversing grain. The iron measures 1 5/8 inches wide and is beveled at 25 degrees and bedded at 12 degrees for a total effective angle of attack of 37 degrees. You'll be proud to own this quality Clifton block plane, and it'll serve you for a lifetime.